I got the heat on up here. Getting ready to start sanding and buffing this thing. I think she's going to turn out pretty. And got a little froggy right there. Got a little run there and one here. Not too bad. Get some 14, go over and then go back over 2,000 and buff it. I think she'll turn out sweet. But I like it. I think she's gonna look good. Y'all enjoy the video, and I'm glad to have this thing painted before the weather changes to the worst. Get this thing back together after I get it sanded. See you on YouTube.